Just like my Copycat Panda Express black pepper chicken recipe, this is my beef version. I'm Tess, and tonight I will show you how to make homemade Copycat Panda Express black pepper beef. It's easy, and I love that bite of black pepper. Stay tuned. If you are a fan of Panda Express black pepper chicken, you are going to enjoy my Copycat recipe for black pepper beef. It is the exact same recipe, but first I'm making the chili vinegar that Panda Express uses in their recipe. It's real simple to make, and we are just giving a little heat to the vinegar. I have a half a cup of white vinegar, and I'm adding in a seeded red chili pepper, bringing up to a boil and simmering for about 15 seconds, and then removing from the heat and cooling to room temperature. I'm using 1 pound of thinly sliced cubed beef, and this is a London Broil cut. To marinate the beef, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of the chili vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, giving that a good mix and setting to the side and marinating for 30 minutes. The coarse ground black pepper is what makes this black pepper beef so good. The recipe calls for 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of coarse black pepper, and you don't want to use pre-ground black pepper because it will be overpowering and it won't taste the same. I have 1.5 tablespoons of whole black peppercorns, and I grind them until I get a coarse texture. You could also put the peppercorns in a Ziploc bag and lightly pound with a rolling pin. The result is you want varying sizes of peppercorns from small to large pieces. Now we are ready to make this happen. I'm using my wok tonight, but you can use any pan. In my wok on high heat, I'm adding in enough oil to coat the bottom. I'm adding in the beef and spreading out along the bottom and sides. Let the beef cook for about 20 seconds before stirring, and this is going to help produce a nice crust and prevent sticking. Spread the beef out again, let it cook for a bit, and stir. Cooking and stirring for about a total of 5 to 7 minutes, or until the beef is done, and then removing from the pan. In the same pan on medium-high heat, I'm adding in a little more oil, 1 small diced onion, and 2 to 3 stalks of celery that I thinly sliced on a bias. I'm only going to cook these for 1 minute and no longer. You want to leave a good bit of crunch. With the spicy black pepper, the celery really adds a sweet pop of brightness to this dish. Adding the beef and all the juices back into the pan and stirring to combine. This is a half a tablespoon of the chili vinegar and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, giving that a quick toss to coat. And finally, I'm adding in the fresh ground black pepper, and you can add the amount to your taste. Cooking and stirring for another 30 seconds, and it's ready to eat. This Copycat Panda Express black pepper beef recipe is simple, easy, and delicious. I also have other Panda Express Copycat recipes on my channel, like the Panda Express orange chicken, the chicken and mushrooms, and of course the black pepper chicken. If you have a chance, please check them out. The beef is really tender, and the onions and celery add a nice combination and texture. The fresh ground black pepper is zesty and tasty. It really is addicting. I hope you give this Copycat Panda Express black pepper beef recipe a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!